Got some brown butter. Y'all see that brown butter, that brown bottom. Making some brown butter chocolate chip cookies. We got our butter all browned up. And get that set to the side so it can cool off. Okay, y'all. Got our brown butter in the bowl here cooling. In this bowl, we got a cup of packed light brown sugar. And then I got a half a cup of this golden sugar. We're gonna add our brown butter here in the bowl. And then also our vanilla here. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. And this is the last of our good vanilla. Y'all can see it's from the Dominican Republic. You want all those pieces. This bowl is hot, y'all. Wow. One moment. Alright, we got our brown butter in the bowl. And that's our 1 teaspoon of good vanilla. We're going to go ahead with our mixer. I got my hand mixer out today. I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed up. So I'll be back to show y'all what it's looking like after I got it all mixed up. Okay, gang. That's what we're looking like. The brown butter and our golden sugar, our brown sugar, and our vanilla mixture. Now I got 2 large eggs in the bowl. I'm gonna get each of those incorporated one at a time. So I'll be back to show y'all what it's looking like once I get both of the eggs incorporated. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell while we wait on the next clip. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Alright, so now we got our eggs incorporated into that sugar batter. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and get our flour folded in. I'm not going to use the mixer beaters. I'm going to fold the flour in by hand, y'all. Get this unplugged to the side. I did sift my flour. My old school sifter. Go ahead and get your flour sifted. Makes your pastry so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of that flour, like a third of it, into my mixture. Just fold it around till it's well incorporated. And then you're gonna add your next amount of flour until you got all your flour well incorporated. So I'll be back to show y'all what it's looking like once I got all the flour incorporated. Okay, so we got all of our flour incorporated. You don't want to overmix your dough. See, that's what it's looking like. Now we're going to go ahead and get our bag of Nestle's morsels in the bowl. I also have a small amount of pecans. Add to the mixture, y'all. Alright. Go ahead and get that folded over. You just want to fold, y'all. See? Fold. Gently fold. So I'll be back to show y'all what our dough is looking like once I got it all folded over. Okay, y'all, our dough is all ready to go. You want to let it chill in the refrigerator a few hours I got it in the mixing bowl, but I'm going to take it out and set it on some parchment and wrap it with some parchment and plastic wrap. So by the time it's chilled, it's just going to be ready to go ahead and slice. That is our brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Comment down below. Let me know how you like the recipe. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Catch y'all on the next video. When we bake up some of these bad boys, I'm going to let y'all know how they're looking and how they turn out once we bake them up.